Apple event happened yesterday, and they started in un-Apple fashion. They brought out Frogger, and they introduced Apple Arcade for $4.99 a month. They immediately pivoted into the Apple TV, something new. Some new shows hitting Apple TV, as well as Jason Momoa in C. And the only thing wrong about that series is all those people are blind and they can't see how hot and sexy Jason Momoa is. Apple TV launches on November 1st for $4.99 a month, or you can get 1 year for free when you buy any major Apple device. Apple is really pushing services and reoccurring charges, little charges that will barely have an impact on anyone's budget. At least, that's how they make it seem. On to the iPads. 10.2 inches, the 7th generation iPad. The screen has been updated. There's a new iPad OS software update in the works, and a new enhanced photo app. This iPad is made from 100% recycled aluminum, starting at $329. Order today and ships at the end of September. $329 is the base model with only 32 gigs of storage. So Apple is enticing you with crappy specs if you want to max out your iPad at 128 gigs with Wi-Fi and LTE. You're looking at $599, which is about the real price of the iPad if you want to be able to do all the things that it can do. Apple Watch saves lives. Easiest way for me to put it: if you have a condition that the Apple Watch can help monitor or alert you to, then you need to have this device on your wrist. The next generation Apple Watch is the Apple Watch Series 5. Apple Watch Series 5 has an all-new always-on display that never sleeps. The display refreshes at 60 to 1 Hz. This is designed to save power when at all possible. Keeps the battery display on while still providing all-day battery that you get in your Apple Watch. There's also a new built-in compass. This can be found in the Maps app and some of the watch faces. Coming soon, out in silver, gold, space gray, stainless steel, gold, rose gold, and a polished black. Also, titanium silver and titanium polished black. They also brought back the white ceramic. That model is a ridiculous $1,399, and it only comes in 44 millimeters with LTE. There are no options to try to save some money by not getting LTE or getting a smaller version. While we're talking about high end, they also brought out some new Hermes watch straps for the Apple Watch, starting at $399. Series 3 is now $199, which is amazing. Now, that is a great deal. Between me and you, the Series 5 is a hard pass. Apple has brought nothing new to the table that is going to make me drop $529. If they did, I would drop my card and I would tell you that I need to buy it right now. But you don't, so I won't. You don't need this. Apple pushed out an update to say that it's updated to try to get on the same refresh schedule of the other hardware, but I don't think that they brought anything to the table to justify me buying a brand new Apple Watch when this one is a year old and works phenomenal. The new iPhone 11 coming out in some awesome colors. A 6.1 inch liquid retina display, which we saw back on the iPhone XR. Spatial audio surrounding you. This is like a new upgraded iPhone XR, I think. I was a little confused. I fell asleep during the event. The iPhone 11 camera has dual camera, wide lens, and ultra wide lens. Portrait mode now has a wide lens angle as well. You can take photos of your pets. And I think now, instead of just looking for people's faces, it's okay to look for a pet face, which is interesting. Night mode finally now comes on automatically when you're taking a picture. But how will it stack up against dark mode champions such as the Pixel 3 XL, or even hold a torch against the much anticipated Pixel 4 XL, which is right around the corner? We'll have to wait a little bit longer and just see to get those answers. Video is now at 4K with 60 frames per second, which is a spec increase from last year's 30 frames per second. Selfie camera, wide angle, and selfie 4K videos as well. Slow-mo selfies, also known as Slowfies. Slowfie? Sloofy. The new iPhones have the A13 Bionic chip, fastest ever in a smartphone, and I believe them. The A12 chip was one of the best chips ever, so any upgrade will be amazing. Starting price, $699. Now on to the main event, the iPhone 11 Pro, the most powerful and most advanced iPhone that has ever been created. It has a stunning new design, but it looks identical to last year aside from the camera. So I guess as long as last year was stunning, this year's is stunning too. So the design was so good, there was no need to make a new one. Yeah, that's what they're telling us. New midnight green, space gray, and gold. Two sizes, 6.5 inch starting at $1099. That is $1,099. And a 5.11 inch starting at $999. And that's just base model with low gigabytes. Apple is really pushing to get you to trade in your device this year. So instead of jumping and selling it on eBay or Swappa or somewhere else, take a look and see what Apple is willing to give you on the trade-in. They also have this new term that they wanted to share with you, Super Retina XDR display. I don't know. It's a screen that looks good. All of Apple's screens look good. We are continuing right into machine learning, which just makes everything fast. CPUs, neural engines, and all that artificial intelligence is designed to help you enhance your user experience. The iPhone 11 has a low power usage designed specifically for the A13. I fell asleep here, so I don't know what to report, except it has 4 to 5 hours more per battery per day, which should be huge. I just don't know if it's true. What is huge is there's finally an 18-watt charger in the box. Pay attention. This is just for the Pro, not everybody. Do not get excited. Not everyone's getting this 18-watt fast charger. The Pro camera has 3 12-megapixel cameras, wide, telephoto, and ultra wide, all work together at the same time to take a picture. That's right, it takes a picture. It's a camera, it takes a picture, a good picture. They're really putting focus on this camera, and it just takes a picture. We got a sneak peek into Deep Fusion, but I forgot what it is already, so I don't know what to say. Peekaboo. Let's wrap it all up. The Series 5 Apple Watch is a hard pass. I have not even been able to talk myself into buying it yet. So how can I talk you into buying it? The iPhone 11 looks amazing and is going to be a great contender to other smartphones on the market. The iPhone XR is still a great option. Don't count it out. The iPhone 11 Pro is lacking some major Pro features. The Pro camera needs a major user interface overhaul. But we did get 4K 60 frames per second, so maybe we'll forget all about it. The iPad is new. I'm not sure if it was needed. The iPad Pro in my mind is still a much better option, but you have to spend more cash to get it. I feel that is a true Pro device and it lives up to the name. Apple TV is a must-have. Don't pass, don't sleep, don't forget about the Apple TV. It's gonna bring us some great entertainment, some great features, and everyone's gonna be talking about it, and you're gonna wanna talk about it too. So you gotta get it. Apple Arcade is not for me, but there might be a giant demographic out there that I don't even know exists. If you're out there, congratulations on all your new games at $4.99 a month. I'll probably check it out. I'll forget to cancel my subscription for over a year, and that's basically how Apple can't lose, because of people like me. Don't forget, you now get to pick your case and your band for your Series 5. They're citing over 1,000 different combos in the store, so the possibilities are almost endless. At least 1,000 different possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more of me, subscribe, like, comment, and share. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Until next time, namaste.